Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about class 9 social studies. Our first chapter is Our Earth, and in this we are going to study about one of the interesting topic, latitudes and longitudes. Children, about latitudes and longitudes you have studied in your previous classes also. What are latitudes and what are longitudes? Latitudes are the horizontal lines that are drawn on the globe. You can see the horizontal and the vertical lines here. The horizontal lines are called as latitudes and the vertical lines are called as longitudes. You can see here the horizontal circles that goes around the globe exactly in the middle at equal distance from north and south poles is called the equator because it divides the earth into two equal parts. So here children, you can see a line that is drawn here which is red in color. This line divides the globe into two equal halves. So the line which divides the globe into two equal halves is called as equator, and equator is designated at 0 degrees. You can also see the other numbers children, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So the northern part, the upper part we can say, from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, it is called as northern hemisphere. Again, which is down below from equator to 90 degrees, it is called as southern hemisphere. Both these sides you can see the same numbers children, starting from 0, 10, 20, 30 and so on till 90. And down also you can see in the southern hemisphere from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 so on till 90. 90 degrees north is called as North Pole and 90 degrees south is called as South Pole. The lines which are going towards the pole are a series of parallel circles. Always remember children, latitudes are full circles and the word latitude has come from the Latin word latitudo meaning width. Latitudo meaning width. You can see that one after the other these lines are going parallel to each other from 0 degree to 90 degrees in the north and from 0 degree to 90 degrees in the south. So remember children, latitudes are always north and south. Always remember that latitudes are always north and south. Whenever you talk about any latitude children, remember either it is north latitude or south latitude. You can see here north latitude, south latitudes, and the line which divides the globe into two equal halves is called as equator, which is designated at 0 degrees. There are some special names given to some of the latitudes. You can see like 0 degree which divides the globe into two equal halves is called as equator. Similarly, as we are moving towards the North Pole children, you can see 23.5 N, 23.5 degree north is called as Tropic of Cancer. And one more important thing children, latitudes and longitudes, they are always measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. Remember, latitudes are always north and south. 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree north is given the special name as Tropic of Cancer, whereas 23.5 degree south is called as Tropic of Capricorn. Similarly, children, 66.5 degree north is called as Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degree south is called as Antarctic Circle. 90 degrees northeast, North Pole, and 90 degrees south is called as South Pole. Remember children, we have two hemispheres here. Hemisphere, half sphere. Half, the line which divides the globe into two equal halves. Equator, we have two hemispheres here. The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Altogether, we have 180 degrees latitudes. 90 towards the north and 90 towards the south. Always remember children, latitudes are always north and south, and the line which divides the globe into two equal halves is called as equator, and there is no latitude greater than 90 degrees and less than 0. Now let's study about longitudes. What are longitudes? Longitudes gives Latin word longitudo, meaning length. As I said you before children, the latitudes are full circles that are drawn on the globe horizontally. Now the longitudes are the vertical lines that are drawn on the globe from North Pole to South Pole. You can see the straight lines drawn on the globe, the half circles drawn on the globe. These are called as longitudes. Longitudes are semicircles connecting pole to pole, that is from North Pole to South Pole. You can see half circles that are drawn. These are called as longitudes. Always remember children, longitudes are the half circles that are drawn from North Pole to South Pole. Now, the line which divides the globe vertically into two equal halves is called as 0 degree prime meridian. The line which divides the globe vertically into two equal halves, you can see the red color line here, this is dividing the globe into two equal halves vertically, is called as prime meridian. You have also studied 0 degree equator children, don't get confused. 0 degree line which divides vertically, that was horizontally. The line which divides the globe into two equal halves is called as prime meridian. This is also called as 0 degree meridian also. This is also called as Greenwich meridian also. So, these are the semicircles which are drawn on the globe. So here children, this Greenwich meridian passes through London. Many other countries try to fix their country as a longitude that passes through. But however, England decided the Greenwich meridian will be the 0 degree longitude. Why? What was the special reason that 0 degree passed through London? You know children, these Britishers, they have ruled upon almost all the parts of the world. So, following this, everyone ended following their own system, and later on it was decided that the standard meridian will be 0 degree longitude that passes through London. Remember children that longitudes are always east and west. Longitudes are always east and west, and they are also measured as degrees, minutes and seconds. Longitudes are always east and west longitudes. connecting North Pole to South Pole. There are 360 degrees longitudes. Like we have studied, children, latitudes from 0 degree to 90 degree north, and again from 0 degree to 90 degrees south. So altogether we have 180 degrees latitudes. But remember children that latitudes are 180, whereas longitudes are 360. From 0 degree prime meridian, we can see the number starting with 0 degree towards the east. Again from 0 degree prime meridian, we can see towards the west longitudes starting from 0. So altogether we have 180 degrees towards the east and 180 towards the west. So here children, remember longitudes are 360 degrees. There are 360 degrees longitudes, whereas latitudes are 180 degrees. Remember children, east longitudes are 180, west longitudes are 180. Altogether we have 360 degrees longitudes. Hope all of you have understood this, and thank you for watching this video.